Hey, it's Sharon here, and earlier this week I told you a bit about Screencast Pro, which is a new Camtasia and Screencast training from Lon Naylor and Joey Zotto. And I've done all of Lon Naylor's training before for Camtasia, so I thought I knew a lot, but I found out when I bought this that there's a heck of a lot more that I don't know. So let me just show you what it looks like and just one thing that I was able to create. So I'm here right in the home page for Screencast Pro, and I'm going to go to Start Your Training, and you'll see it's for PC or Mac. I'm a PC user. And you'll see there's a bunch of different modules in here. So for beginners, there's things like strategy, getting started, video walkthrough. These are all things that, even though I've used Camtasia, I'm going to go through to see what other tips and tricks they have. Then there's these project walkthroughs, and that takes you through a few of the templates that they give you and teaches you how to do these things from scratch. So they'll give you templates, but you know, these things don't always match exactly what you want to do, so you need to know the basics behind it. For instance, there's YouTube, different templates, there's a testimonial, there's the logo sting, which I'll show you in a second, squeeze page video template. I actually wanted to do the squeeze page one, but once I got into it I realized there was a lot that I didn't know. So let me go back to the project walkthroughs, and you'll see that there are several in here, and they all take you through step by step how to do each of these different projects. I started with the squeeze page, found out that I really couldn't handle that yet, and Joey actually says in the beginning, do them in order. So I went back to the logo reveal, and it's a video that walks you through, and he does it live, actually watching over his shoulder. It's not all scripted. So let me show you what I created. I'm going to go over to Camtasia where I have the project file open, and if you look down at the bottom here, there's different tracks and different elements. There's the logo reveal, and actually let me show you what the finished one looks like first. So I'm going to bring the playhead back to the beginning, and this is actually the one that I changed from original to a new color. So let me show you this finished project first. Now let me show you what it started as. So I'm just going to undo a few of the things that I did before and go back to the beginning and press play. So it started out with this white background, my colored logo, and a blue box to reveal it. I want to have my white logo where the letters are all white and a different color background and box. And all I have to do is change each one of the elements in this project to make that happen. The project's already set up. I already went through his walkthrough and learned how to do all these little animations, which were nowhere nearly as difficult as I thought. So I'll start with the rectangle. All I have to do is click on that element on the timeline, go to callouts, because that's what it is, it's a callout, and change the fill. So I'm going to change it to something that's more similar to the current blue in my logo. And actually, if I move the playhead all the way over to when the logo appears, I'll see what it's going to look like, except I need to change the logo. So then I click on the logo element on the timeline, I right click, I click Update Media, and then all I have to do is find the logo that I want to have in there. I'm going to have my white one. Click Open, and now it's switched it, even the same size, right onto that timeline. And the last thing I need to do is change the box itself, the reveal box, because right now it's almost the same color as the background. So I'll go back and make sure I have that highlighted, that element, go into Fill again, pick a color. I'm going to pick a red color just to see what it looks like. Go back to the beginning, press play, and there you go. I changed out the colors, no problem, and if I don't like the red, I can go back and change that to something else. I already have it highlighted, pick that, and maybe I want, I don't know, a yellow. Let's see what that looks like. And that looks pretty cool too. Then I would just save this and export it and add it to another video. So you can see the Camtasia editor is really simple. I learned how to do all of that just from Screencast Pro, so I can't wait to dive into some of the other ones as well. If you're interested, Camtasia is great. Even if you don't have it, they have an opportunity to try it out for free as part of the training. So I'll just put the URL to that underneath this video. And have fun with it.